Did you know that, on average, busy families spend over 2.5 days each year just searching for misplaced items? That's right. Research shows that the simple act of looking for lost shoes, keys, homework, or that ever-elusive TV remote can add up to a staggering amount of wasted time. Just imagine what your family could do with those extra hours back in your week. That's why today, we're diving into organizing tips designed specifically for busy families just like yours, juggling work, school, extracurricular activities, and everything in between. In a world where every minute counts, being organized isn't just about having a tidy home. It's about reclaiming your time and reducing the daily stress that comes with chaos and clutter. Let's start by acknowledging the unique challenges that busy families face. First, there's the constant clutter. With kids moving from one activity to the next, toys, clothes, and papers seem to multiply overnight. Then, there are the time constraints. Getting everyone out the door in the morning or wrangling the family for dinner can feel like a race against the clock. Add in the unpredictability of daily schedules, and it's easy to see why staying organized can feel like an impossible task. But don't worry, organization is within reach. With a few practical strategies, you can transform the way your family manages your space and your time. Let's begin in the heart of the home, the kitchen. For many families, the kitchen is not just a place to cook, it's command central. Start by creating designated zones for common activities. Have a breakfast station with cereals, bowls, and spoons, all within arm's reach. Reserve a pantry shelf for school snacks and lunch supplies, making it easy for kids to help themselves and even pack their own lunches. Use clear bins or baskets to group similar items together and label everything. When everyone knows where things belong, it's much easier to keep the space tidy and avoid the morning scramble. Now, let's tackle the kids' rooms. These spaces can quickly become a battleground of stuffed animals, sports gear, and art supplies. The key here is to make organization fun and accessible. Invest in low shelves and storage bins that little hands can reach. Use color-coded bins for different types of toys or activities, and get your kids involved in the process. Make it a daily habit to do a quick 5-minute tidy-up before bed. It's amazing how much you can accomplish in just a few minutes a day. Moving on to family schedules, which can often feel like a jigsaw puzzle. One of the most effective strategies is to set up a family command center in a central location, maybe near the front door or in the kitchen. This can be as simple as a whiteboard calendar where everyone's activities are written out for the week. Add a corkboard for important reminders, permission slips, and invitations. Assign a mailbox or folder for each family member to hold papers that need attention. When everyone knows where to look for the day's schedule or important documents, you'll spend less time chasing down lost forms or forgotten appointments. Let's not forget the entryway, another notorious trouble spot. Shoes, backpacks, and jackets often pile up near the door, creating a bottleneck at the beginning and end of each day. A simple solution is to set up a drop zone. Install hooks at a child-friendly height for coats and bags, and place a bench with baskets underneath for shoes. Each family member gets a designated spot, making it easy to grab and go without the usual chaos. Now, let's talk about a true game changer when it comes to family organization: the use of a shared digital calendar. While paper calendars are great for quick glances, a digital calendar, like Google Calendar, allows every family member to add, edit, and view events in real time from their own devices. Color code each person's activities, set up reminders, and even share the grocery list. With everyone on the same page, you'll never miss a soccer practice or forget a birthday party again. This simple tool can bring order to the busiest of weeks and ensure that communication never falls through the cracks. Here are a few more quick tips to keep your family organized. Declutter regularly. Make it a habit to donate or discard items you no longer use. Less stuff means less to organize. Use vertical space. Install shelves, hooks, and organizers on walls to maximize storage without taking up valuable floor space. Create routines. Morning and evening routines help set expectations and reduce last-minute rushes. Assign responsibilities. Give each family member age-appropriate tasks, from setting the table to sorting laundry. When everyone pitches in, the workload feels lighter. Store like with like. Keep similar items together so you always know where to find things. Plan ahead. Take a few minutes each evening to prep for the next day, pack lunches, lay out clothes, and review the family calendar. Let's recap the main points. Start by setting up designated zones in your kitchen to streamline mealtimes and snack prep. Make kids' rooms manageable with accessible storage and daily tidy-up routines. Organize your schedules with a family command center and a shared digital calendar. Create an entryway drop zone to conquer the morning rush. And above all, remember that a little bit of planning and consistency goes a long way. By implementing these organizing strategies, you'll not only save time, you'll create a calmer, more efficient home where everyone knows what to expect and where things belong. Your family will feel less stressed, more in control, and ready to tackle whatever the day brings. If you found these tips helpful and want more ideas to simplify your family's life, don't forget to subscribe for more practical solutions and inspiration. Here's to a more organized, less chaotic home, one step at a time.